Welcome back to our Illustrator series. In this one, similar to the pen tool tutorial a few tutorials ago, I'm just going to show you how to sketch around an image but using shapes. So first off, I'm going to make another layer, and this one will be a shaped avo. Pop him at the top, hide our illustrated one. So here we can select roughly what ellipse tool is usually pretty good when manipulating it. Unusual shapes. So we'll go that one first. Adapt our handlebar. Just keep working it. That's the trick to these things. Might make another anchor point there. Drop that in. I'll make another one as well. Right in the middle, and then we'll drag that one down. Oh. Drag him down. Yeah, it's alright. I don't mind that. Bit more of a point up the top there, so we'll try to... No, we'll bail on that idea. What's that stroke at? Oh, it's still 3. Let's pop that down to 1. Make that a tiny bit bigger. Yeah, it's alright. We will copy, paste. Oh, what has that done? Control C, Control V. Scale that down. Readjust. No, these don't have to be exact. That's fine. It still comes out a bit there, so I might adapt this one just to bring that one in. Keep the other side the same. Perfect. And finally, finish off with our seed. Big circle. Yeah, it's quite good, just a normal circle there. Little bit not spot on, so that's all I needed, I think. And there we have it. Very simple. So if we wanted to add some color to that, let's just say we wanted to cut layers on the laser cutter and then glue all the sheets together. I'd actually layer these parts. Let's fill them in first, so just so we're not confused. I wonder if we can play around with this color first, actually. Let's try something. So we'll select a green. Let's go into our objects, or maybe our effects. Here we go, interglow. All sorts of functions to adapt shapes in there. It's all about playing around with it. Oh, look out. Now we're getting crafty. So, our first layer, shaped avo. So we can actually make other layers within that layer. This is getting complex now, but the more you play around with it, the better. So they're already on separate layers within that layer. So if we wanted the seed on the back, for instance, we'll just do that, but we don't. So we'll keep it at the front. They're already laid how we want them to be laid. So to select it. We can select it like that to make it easier. Change the stroke. We're going to cut that outer layer out. So the stroke will be 0.003. This one, we'll keep the strokes at 0.003 as well, because we're actually going to cut that out too. And finally, our seed. And we're going to cut the seed out as well. 0.003.